Hi, this is Izzy from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and today we're going to be doing subtraction word problems. Okay, so the first word problem says, Anakin has 20 lemons to make lemonade. He used 7 lemons to make the first batch of lemonade. How many are left? So the first question says, what is the original amount? So the original amount of lemons was 20 lemons, so write 20 lemons, and then the amount taken. So the amount taken, so it says Anakin has 20 lemons, and it says he used 7 lemons. So he used 7 lemons out of the 20 lemons. So he took 7 lemons from the 20 lemons. Sorry about the bad 7. And then the amount left. So for the amount left, we would do 20 minus 7. And 20 minus 7 equals 13. So the amount left would be 13 lemons. Okay, so the next word problem says, Issy is awake for 16 hours in one day. His mom allows him to have time after he is done with homework and cleaning. It takes 4 hours to clean and do his homework. How many hours are left for free time? So first we have to find the original amount. That's what the first question says. So the original, well, it says here that it says Issy is awake for 16 hours in one day. So original amount would be 16 hours. Because that's how long I have to do what I can do, like what I have to do. Like, for example, chores, like it said, and free time. Next, the next question says hours to complete homework and clean. So, as it says in the passage, it says it takes 4 hours to clean and do his homework. So, 4 hours to complete homework and clean. Next question says hours left for free time. So, here's the thing. Before, I used to complain about not getting enough free time, but in here it says that I have a total of 12 hours of free time. So I feel like that's more than enough, but I kind of like that idea. So I have 12 hours. The next problem says Ismail had 15 candy bars. Zach ate 3 of the candy bars. His mom ate 5. Why are people eating my candy bars? I want my candy bars to myself. I feel like I have to hide them better. I don't think my hiding tricks were that good enough. So, Ismail had 15 candy bars. So the first question says original amount. So it says right there, Ismail had 15 candy bars. So 15 candy bars. That's how much I had in total. Next says amount Zach ate. Zach ate 3 candy bars. As it says there, Zach ate 3 of the candy bars. The next question says amount mom ate. My mom ate 5 more than Zach. Well, not 5 more than Zach, but my mom ate 2 more than Zach. So my mom ate 5 candy bars. Next it says candy bars Ismail has left. I mean, if I could, well, which I can't because it's in the word problem. If I could, I would keep all my 15 candy bars, not let anyone have them, but I can't, so candy bars Ismail has left. So don't let this scare you because there's like 3 numbers instead of 2 like in the last problems. So we could do, all we have to do is, so it's pretty much the same thing, but like 2 more steps on the subtraction. So all we have to do is just this. Oops, didn't need to write the 3. So 15 minus 3 equals 12. And then we can do 12 minus 5, which equals 7. So I will have 7 candy bars left. I don't know why I'm complaining because I still have had more candy bars than Zach and my mom because I had 7 and Zach had 3 and my mom had 5. Thank you for watching Kid2Kid Tutorials. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.